Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to present of the materials that I've been learned in English for Young Learner subject. Hello, my name is Rizky Rohmiani. I'm currently PPG Prajapatan, class of 2023, a student at the UNES. The reflection I want to talk about is descriptive text, procedure text, recount text, and persuasive text. The first, descriptive text. On this topic, I learned to use English verbally, written, and multimodally related to identity and family, and how to introduce myself in English with simple descriptive text. Because in our daily activities, there are times when we introduce ourselves to other people, or other people introduce themselves to us. There are also times when we talk about our family with other people. On this topic, I also practice how to ask other people about their identity with a friend based on the rules of the simple present tense from. Importance. Descriptive text is important so that reader or other people can get to know myself and my family, knowing who I am, what I like, what I do, because the purpose of descriptive text is to describe object, place, people, or situation in details. Descriptive text is expected to make reader know what can be told or described about themselves and their families, so that can more easily introduce themselves to other people or people they just know, and reader can know the structure of the descriptive text. The descriptive text I wrote still has many flaws, so it is important for me to use words that are easier to understand or often used in daily conversation. I need to learn a lot of vocabulary and use proper grammar when writing descriptive text. Procedure text. Talking and telling stories about hobbies and work based on one's experience with whom we talk about hobbies and work. Other examples showing hobbies that some people can consider work and making procedure text based on hobbies English. Include a text about how to do hobby or how to do a job, information that has been collected in the task in the previous point. Importance. Procedure text is important to discuss so that reader can find out what tools are needed to do to my hobby. A step or stage to do this, because procedure text is a type of the text can contain steps that must be done for the desired purpose. The procedure text is expected to that reader can do an activity, make something properly and correctly according to the existing procedures. But from my text and from the text they get, I also hope that reader know what the parts of the procedure text are. In the procedure text, I have to be more detailed in explaining something and use some sentences that are easy to understand, avoid convoluted sentences, and include pictures to support the step in the text. Recount text. Retelling experience while studying at school, because school is an important place in our life journey. At school we learn, play, interactive with teacher, friend, and other school residents. Of course, many beautiful memories were made during our experience of studying at school. After discussing tests related to school about experience on the first day of school and incident of bullying, I also learned about what kind of writing is included in the recount text type, what elements make up recount text type writing, how two characteristics of writing can be categorized. Recount text so the readers can be entertained and also remembers about their experience too, so that readers can also know how to make a good recount text and what I told in the text. The recount text I wrote still needs improvement. I need to tell the experience in more detail. I need to give best message and advice that can be taken from the story. Besides that, you can also use words to make reader understand and feel the stories. Persuasive text. Content. Persuasive text is a type of text that aims to convince reader or listeners of a certain point of view. Persuasive text is important so that readers can open their mind and see how the environment is today, so that self-awareness of the importance of practicing the environment arises. Because the text aims to tell our pursued reader to do something according to what the authors want to convey. Persuasive text is useful so that reader can know and be aware of environmental issues around them. aware of the importance of caring for the protecting the environment. It is also expected that readers can implement activities. The last is improvement. In the persuasive text, I need to tell the current and reliable fact in the text more convincingly. Make the invitation sentence more heartfelt to that the readers become aware and agrees with my opinions. Okay, friend, thank you for your attention.